Good morning, my ComCom students. I hope you had a wonderful holiday weekend. I'm going to get right to our assignments. Let's start here with all of my classes. And yours is fifth period, so I'm going to click on that. Yours is obviously going to look different. And then you'll see that you never start with the stream. Go to classwork as per usual. And right now it says draft, but this will be your assignment that I will be posting by 9 o'clock. And when you click on this, it says, Dear students, I've created an agenda for getting the Google Slides presentation complete. If you have questions, please email, and here's your agenda. So you have Monday, watch the screencast, that's what this is. And then by 3 o'clock, it says label all the slides with categories, either on the slide or on the speaker notes. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a moment. Then by Tuesday, add images to at least 3 slides. Wednesday, you can work ahead if you want. You can do a Google Meet with me. Just let me know you want to do that if you're having trouble. Thursday, 4 more slides. Friday, finish her up. So it's really quite easy to get this done this week if you have not already done so. But I want to go over this thing here where it says by 3 o'clock, label all of the slides with categories, either on the slide or in the speaker notes. What I've done is I've created an example. I love oak trees. So what I did is I basically started a Google slide like I would if I were going to make this presentation, as you are doing. I call it The Mighty Oak by Mr. Weaver. And then it says in the instructions to label all the slides with categories, either on the slide or in the speaker notes. So right now, this is kind of me deciding what all I'm going to include in my speech. And so on the first slide, oh, there's nothing there, but look in the speaker notes. I just wrote intro key to, yeah, I didn't spell that right, so no wonder. Introduction, okay? And so I don't know exactly what I'm going to put in my introduction, but I'm labeling a category that probably in my first slide would be some, I don't know, some very vibrant color, pictures of the oak, something in my introduction as I'm talking. The next slide is I put Shakespeare, mythology, literature. I'm going to talk about why it is so important to me that it goes back to Shakespeare. Wren the mighty oak is a quote from The Tempest. In mythology, Zeus, his tree is the oak, and it also comes up in other parts of literature. Then I'm going to talk about the varieties of oaks. I'm going to talk about seeds and reproduction. I'm going to talk about survival. I'm going to talk about animals and how they love the oak. I'm talking about the Three Sisters, which is 3 huge oak trees in the Sugar Creek Reserve. And then, oh wait, stats. Boy, this is not a good place for stats. So what you can do, and I purposefully did this, is if you think of one later, I don't know if you know this, but you can move the slides. You just hold down on it and you can move it. Look at that. I'm just moving the slides. So where would be a good place for stats? It should be between reproduction, survival? No. Let's move it out to here. So varieties and then stats. Oh, that's a good place. Or I could put it before the varieties. Either way, this is a better place to put the stats. So just know that you can move these very easily. And then the last one is conclusion. I don't even know exactly what I would be doing yet. So this is all that's due by 3 o'clock today. Just decide what categories about your topic would be most pertinent and most helpful for an audience and write those in there. Now, the other thing you could do is, let's say you want to go ahead and start making the slides. You could put the stats in, you could put the word stats in here. Now, you don't want to do more than maybe a word, but stats, okay? And then you can start adding, your Google images tomorrow underneath stats. Or you could put stats right in the middle, okay? You could move this, I forget how to do it. I'd have to figure it out later. But you could move this down and then put images in other places. So that's my screencast for you today. That's my advice. But really, here is the agenda for the week. And if you have any questions, please let me know and have a great day.